Welcome to Righteous Rides Customs and Righteous Rides Academy of Florida, where our mission is clear. 1. Make affordable Restomod cars accessible to everybody. 2. Educate and mentor young car enthusiasts. 3. Cultivate excellence in automotive craftsmanship amongst our youth and clients. Righteous Rides Academy of Florida focuses on passing down automotive restoration skills to the next generation. Restomod cars have increased in popularity with the under 30 crowd. Restoring the old cars with new technology. Your sponsorship supports our cause by sending students to a comprehensive apprenticeship program. Righteous Rides Academy of Florida has created a 3-tier program focusing on the following. 1. Craftsmanship. ASE Automotive Technician Training includes theory and hands-on application. 2. Discipleship. A well-rounded 48-lesson discipleship evangelism course to strengthen their purpose. 3. Mentorship. Life skills including finance, home and mentoring to help them get a head start in their goals. However, we cannot achieve these goals alone and need the support of generous individuals and companies like yours. At any level, your generous sponsorship will make a meaningful impact on the lives of many students. We are hoping that you will be able to graciously provide us with the financial assistance or like-in-kind donations that we require to help achieve our goals and objectives. Click the donate button now. Your donation is highly appreciated. Remember this: whoever sows sparingly will also reap sparingly, and whoever sows generously will also reap generously. Each of you should give what you have decided in your heart to give, not reluctantly or under compulsion, for God loves a cheerful giver. 2 Corinthians chapter 9, verse 6 to 8.